Good day everyone. Let's try to answer some math problem posted on Facebook. And special credits to Master Sokol Agalyu for sharing this wonderful question. So let's start. Here's the question. Simplify. We have 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the first power plus 2 multiplied by 2 raised to second power plus 3 multiplied by 2 raised to third power and so on and so forth until we reach 2021 multiplied by 2 raised to 2021. Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video, and if you're ready, here's the solution. Now, first thing to do is to let a equals to this large number. Next, multiply all terms by 2. So we have a multiplied by 2, we have 2a, and 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 1 multiplied by 2 will give us 1 multiplied by 2 squared plus 2 multiplied by 2 cubed plus 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the fourth power and so on and so forth until we reach 2021 multiplied by 2 raised to 2022. Subtract the second equation to the first equation. So we have a minus 2a will give us negative a. So bring down 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the first power or simply 2. Next, 2 multiplied by 2 squared minus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the second power will give us 2 raised to the second power because 2 minus 1 will give us 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the second power. Similarly, we have 3 minus 2 or simply 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the third power and so on and so forth. So this becomes 2, bring down 2, we have 2 squared, we have 2 cubed, we have 2 to the fourth power, plus all the way up to 2 raised to 2021. And don't forget to subtract the last term. We have negative 2021 multiplied by 2 raised to 2022. Now notice that we have this familiar sequence. This is what we call a geometric sequence. Since it is a geometric sequence, we can use the formula to find the sum of finite geometric sequence. So we have S sub n is equal to a multiplied by r raised to n minus 1 all over r minus 1, wherein a is the first term, r is the common ratio, and n is the number of terms. Now, in our geometric sequence, our a or the first term must be 2. The common ratio is obviously 2. And the number of terms must be 2021. Using this formula, we have negative a equals to 2 multiplied by 2 raised to 2021 minus 1 all over 2 minus 1 minus 2021 multiplied by 2 raised to 2022. So just bring down the last term. Next, simplify. 2 minus 1 is simply 1. So we have 2 multiplied by 2 raised to 2021 and will give us 2 raised to 2022. Then 2 multiplied by 1 will give us negative 2. Then again, bring down negative 2021 multiplied by 2 raised to 2022. Next, combine similar terms and we have negative 2 minus 2021 plus 1 will give us negative 2020 multiplied by 2 raised to 2022. Finally, divide both sides by negative 1 and we have a equals 2 plus 2020 multiplied by 2 raised to 2022. And this is what we want. And we're done.